well-informed and highly entertained. Conveniently access apps and digital services via the infotainment system's 15-inch touchscreen. Extra large tiles on the home screen show your favorite functions. Press and hold to customize the view and set up quick access to your favorites. You can also create additional views for different situations, for example, your way to work or a holiday trip. This button takes you to the app overview. You can arrange the tiles as you like. Simply tap, hold, and then move them. In your app favorites at the top, you can directly tap on one of your selected functions. Tap the plus symbol to add further app favorites. When all memory locations are occupied, simply tap and hold a symbol to swap your favorites. The vehicle favorites provide quick access to important vehicle settings. Again, tap plus or tap and hold a tile to adjust your favorites. Tap the vehicle illustration on the left to open the individual vehicle settings. The climate bar lets you control the most important air conditioning functions directly. Again, you can define your own favorites. If you swipe down from the top of the screen, you will open the control center. Here, you can adjust the brightness of the display and switch light, or the ID light. Again, you can define individual quick access functions. Tap this button to mute the infotainment system, or tap and hold to switch to standby mode. If you tap and hold the button for about 15 seconds, the infotainment system will restart. Discover the different apps in your infotainment system and turn your preferred functions into new favorites.
Volkswagen.